Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we connect Claude with WordPress. Now we will perform some action on our site. So you can see these are the three themes installed on my site, and here are the plugin. We used Novamira in our previous video to connect website WordPress with Claude AI. So let me ask my Claude to access to my WordPress. Let's wait for the Claude response. You can see the cloud is already connected to my website WordPress cloud series, and it has given us the active theme and only one active plugin you can see. So now I will ask Cloud to install and activate a plugin. Okay, so let's wait and what Cloud did for us. Allow. So I allow Cloud to install and activate a plugin for me. Sorry, a theme, Hello Elementor theme. Okay, you can see in just few seconds it installed and activate a plugin. Let's check it. Okay, you can see it is installed and activate. Okay, now I will ask to activate Hello Elementor plugin. Okay, so now let's check that what Claude did. Okay, so our plugin is also installed. Let's check it. You can see Elementor is already installed. So this is how we can work with Elementor, uh, WordPress, and any other builder using Novamira. So Novamira is our go-to plugin to connect WordPress with Claude and any other AI agent. So this is how we work. In the next video, we will create a page, a landing page with Elementor using Claude. Thank you.